My name is Vaibhav Sharma. I am the director of Greenlam and I head the global business. We at Greenlam manufacture high-pressure laminates. We are amongst the top 3 high-pressure laminate manufacturers. We manufacture high-pressure laminate, which is distributed now in 103 countries. It's very design-oriented product, so we work with a lot of architects, designers, homeowners, and on projects. It is a very ecological, good product. It's aesthetically great and functionally perfect for the interior environment.
Hey, hi everybody, I'm Adrian. I'm the owner of That's Innovative, which is this office that you're looking at right now.
Yeah, I'm Edwin from Core Interior Design and Builders Private Limited.
Well, I personally use Greenlam for my own house. So the experience with this product has been superb. I've been using it for the past 6 years, and it indeed proven that it lasts through the time, not only in terms of the durability, also I should say the design and the look of it. Even after probably about 6.5 years, it still look quite fashionable.
See, the success of Greenlam has been both on 3 parts. One would be the product innovation, the other one would be the design, and the third would be the service. In terms of product innovation, we were the first laminate manufacturer to produce everything with antibacterial qualities all across our product. In terms of design, one of the designs which is over here is the leading award-winning design in Europe. So we're always constantly looking for the best designs that are available in the industry. So if we're trying to mimic a real wood, so we not only mimic the real look of the wood, but also the texture too, so that the product actually feels like. And in terms of service, we have a fully stocked warehouse in Singapore with wholesale teams and distribution network set up. So yes, it's a 3 approach to the market.
When I look through the catalogs, actually, the selections are actually quite impressive. And once we do up this place, then I think that to me, I'm very satisfied with the results. And of course, like what Adrian said, is the quality of it. And I think the scratches much lesser than like other laminates. As a designer, I think one of the main things that attracts me is actually Greenlam is Singapore Green Label certified. And as a designer, right, I think we need to play a part in creating a more environmental friendly, sustainable design. So this is actually a major plus point for our designers. Then another thing is that Greenlam is actually Green Guard Gold awarded. Very importantly, it is all the laminates are antibacterial, and you can use for nurseries, schools, healthcare institutes, and also residential households.
Other than a wide range of product that Greenlam carries in this catalog, on their catalog throughout the years, I've seen that there are improvements every other 2-3 years, constantly refreshing all the new stuff, which gives us quite a bit of selections in that sense. And also will be the service that I get from Benita herself. So I think that's very personalized and important. Probably I know her, but then again, I'm sure that the team will be able to deliver a good service and good product to all the end users out there. So I would say, yeah, I endorse the product. It's a good product. Everyone should try it out.
Renopedia, the most engaging online renovation media.